still the predominant theory of why the dinosaurs died is something giant from outer space. A meteorite is very heavy. It's made out of two metals, nickel and iridium. On top of the last dinosaurs to be on Earth, we find a layer of iridium all around the planet. And that's why we think one of these guys is what killed the dinosaurs. We have a crater off the coast of Mexico. So one of these guys hit really hard, exploded. And when it exploded, it covered the Earth in the dust that it was made out of. It blocked out the sun, it got really cold, the plants died, so the plant eaters died, then the big meat eaters died. But honeybees made it, and if all the plants died, how did they survive without flowers? Crocodiles and alligators were the same size as dinosaurs back then, but they seem to have made it. So there's still a whole bunch of unanswered questions.
Are the dinosaurs in like one area or something?
On the Earth?
Yeah.
No.
They were, how did all of them die?
Because when it exploded, there was so much dust. You know how we have wind on the Earth and stuff like that?
Yeah.
It blows the dust all and covers the entire Earth after a couple days. Krakatoa, the giant volcano that exploded in Indonesia in the 1800s, when it exploded, where I live in Vermont, they put so much dust in the air, it cooled the Earth just enough that in Vermont it snowed every single month of that year. It snowed in April, it snowed in May, it snowed in July and June as well as August. So no crops grew in Vermont that year. And that's when half of our population had to leave the state or they were going to starve. So just this one volcano made it a little bit cold. So you can imagine if something with a lot more dust went up, it would be much worse.
The dinosaurs died because it was too cold or they suffocated or something from the dust?
Well, guys who were close to that meteorite probably suffocated from the dust and even worse stuff. But over the entire Earth, the Earth got so cold, that is why they died. We've had about 16 major extinctions on the Earth. Give or take, depending on who you talk to. That is the only one where everything died because it got cold. Every other extinction happens when it gets too hot. Something we might want to consider. Yeah.